Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Bitget. So first up, go and log into your Bitget account, go to your wallet right here and just click on withdraw. Okay. Wait for it to load and what do you want to withdraw? It could be a crypto asset or a fiat currency. So for example, withdraw crypto right here. You wanted to withdraw what? Maybe Bitcoin. Okay, BTC. Select the network, maybe BTC Bitcoin, and it needs a withdrawal address. Withdrawal address is the deposit address from your other wallet. So let's just go ahead and open one of our wallets right here. We have Binance wallet. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click on deposit. Deposit crypto. Select the same exact coin and network. Okay. Now just hit on copy right here. And here we have the deposit address, by the way. Paste that in here. Hit on next and enter the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to transfer. And just click on withdraw. Now let's say you wanted to withdraw your fiat money. Well, just click on withdraw fiat right here. Select the currency, for example, USD. And the available payment method or payout method for USD is SWIFT. So hit on next, enter the amount, and once that's done, you should be good to go. And that is how you withdraw from Bitget. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.